Amusement and Recreation Attendants. Career, salary, and education information. What amusement and recreation attendants do. Perform a variety of attending duties at amusement or recreation facility. May schedule use of recreation facilities, maintain, and provide equipment to participants of sporting events or recreational pursuits, or operate amusement, concessions, and rides. How to become an amusement or recreation attendant. Education and training. Experience. Little or no previous work-related skill, knowledge, or experience is needed for these occupations. For example, a person can become a waiter or waitress even if he or she has never worked before. Education. Some of these occupations may require a high school diploma or GED certificate. Training. Employees in these occupations need anywhere from a few days to a few months of training. Amusement and recreation attendant salaries. An amusement and recreation attendant will most likely earn wages that can range from $18,150 and $33,420 based on tenure and industry expertise. Will normally get average salaries of $25,610 every year. Job outlook for amusement and recreation attendants. The overall job outlook for amusement and recreation attendant careers has been positive since 2004. Vacancies for this career have increased by 2.94% nationwide in that time, with an average growth of 0.18% per year. Demand for amusement and recreation attendants is expected to go up, with an expected 146,510 new jobs filled by 2029. This represents an annual increase of 6.56% over the next few years. Key skills: customer service, interpersonal communication, physical stamina. Thanks for watching. To get the most up-to-date career and educational videos, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.